everyone, it's Shauna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing video on your Bijoux box. I have done a few unboxing videos with them before and I'm so excited to do it again. I did cheat a little bit and already saw what I got inside, and this month is absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys, so I'm just going to get started. So the packaging of this is already so beautiful in this Tiffany blue color, and inside it's also adorable with the polka dots and diamonds. And this month's theme is White Hot Summer, the June collection, and it looks like this. So I'm just going to get started with the first item, and they're all packaged so adorably in these pink little baggies. So I'm just going to open up one of the first baggies in here. And this one is a bracelet, I believe, and this one is called the Catalina Wrap bracelet, which is so gorgeous. It is just this beaded bracelet like so, and it has a button clasp. And I'm just going to zoom this in a little closer for you to see all the details. So the buttons look like this, and it's made of beads and this beautiful thread, and it looks so natural. And it just looks like this on the wrist. It's really simple, it's very beautiful. And I am obsessed with the delicate dainty look rather than like the big statement necklaces and stuff, even though I do wear it, but I tend to reach for items like these more often. The next items in this box are earrings. It comes with two of them, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Again, they are called the Catalina hoops. So I'm going to take them out of the packaging right here. And as you can see, it comes with a larger size and a smaller size, and they are absolutely stunning. And they're so simple and so beautiful, and I can't wait to wear it. It is in this rose gold, and as you can see, it has the little like shell stone that is similar to the ones on the bracelet, so that is the theme over here. And absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to wear these two. They are so beautiful. Alright, and the final piece in this box, which is my absolute favorite, is the Catalina shell necklace. And I just find this so beautiful and elegant, and I love the little tassels and details of it. And I'm just going to zoom you closer in. It looks like this, again with the same shell material. And it has the beautiful tassels there with the rhinestones as well. And I just love this whole rose gold theme. I think it's absolutely gorgeous and so elegant. So that's about it for this month's box. It also came with the bonus, which is this rose gold jewelry tray, which I think is awesome. So it just clicks with buttons over here, as so. Just like that. You could easily just put your jewelry on it like this, and you could just grab it and go on your vanity. Alright, so that's about it for this month's box. This is $39.99 a month, and it's free shipping to the US and $10 to Canada. It is absolutely such a good deal since these are all high-end and high-quality jewelry. It's nothing like those cheap jewelry, and these definitely last a long time. I still have the jewelry I have from my previous unboxings, and I still wear it to this day. There's no tarnishing and nothing. It is all spick and span. So I have all the information down below if you'd like to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!